Alright, so you can see right here we placed a tint on the front windshield. It came out very nicely. You do have to cut it right in the middle so it can fit that area. But other than that, came out very nice. Now the one of the tints that was received, it did have you can see this type of issue, and also you can see right there with that bubble. I used the heat gun, but I didn't take that out, and you can see right here this crease, two creases right here. It's pretty deep in there. So other than that, it was very nice, very easy. The back windshield, it was another problem with the black windshield where it didn't fit fully, but we had to remove it. The passenger side though came out really nice. Came out really nice on the passenger side window. And there's some bubbles, but then again, the heat has to take a couple of days where the heat goes in to dry it up, and we'll see how it goes. But other than that, this is the driver's side and the back trunk window tint were the issues. So other than that, very nice.